Hello and welcome everyone. If you want to know how I made this painting with only 3 colors including white, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. In this painting I only used white, gold and phthalo blue. I'm using double the white to make a breezy and light painting. Every cup has 2 drops of silicone oil in there, only the gold has only 1 cause that's a metallic. In the next bit I will be showing you the consistency of my paints. I've only used Floetrol and water to mix with the paint. If you are interested in a video about how I mix my paints, then click the I in the top right corner. I always put all the colors and brands down in the description below if you ever want to use any of the colors I'm using or any of the paints I'm using. To start, I spray my cup with silicone spray and make sure it's not too wet inside, so I use a paper towel to remove it. I will showing you now how wet it is, and then I use a paper towel to disperse it all around in the cup. First I always start in pouring a metallic, so the gold goes in first. Then I try to put blue next to it a couple of times, but after that I just put the white in between every color to make sure the white is like all through the cup. I know the blue and gold are gonna be a bit of greenish color, because gold is a bit of a yellow and blue is blue of course, and they make a bit of a green, but I don't think it will get too green. It will just give that beautiful beach vibe. I have some white left still, and I'm gonna pour that on the corners and on the sides diagonal to the flip cup to make sure there's a bit of a negative space in there, and maybe there's some of the paint will go underneath the white. We'll see what happens. I'm not really getting a lot of cells in the white that is in the middle of the painting. I don't know about these colors. I'm tilting it and hoping I get a bit more of the dark blue, because I wanted to keep the phthalo blue a bit, but now it's a bit too white, so maybe I shouldn't have laid in so much white next to each color. Maybe I should have used more of the blue next to the gold. I'm still deciding what to do with it, so I'm trying to save it by getting more cells in the white, to moving it a bit, but I don't know. I was thinking about using the hairdryer and straws maybe to push the colors a bit into the white in the top right corner, but now I'm moving it too much, the cells are getting wobbly and I'm just not liking it, so I guess I'm gonna scrape this. For everyone who follows me on Instagram knows that I did get a sea breeze painting that looks stunning, so the next video I will be explaining how to get that one. It's not this one. This one is way too light for my taste. I don't like the shape of the cells. It looks a bit weird, so I just scraped it. It's a fun part to do because you can use your bare hands and just wipe the paint off.
Wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light.
This was the end result of the second try. It really worked out perfectly. It looks stunning. So in the next video I will be explaining how to do this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. It's much appreciated. And see you in the next video.
You're officially perfect.